Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to enable notifications for event activity on Facebook Web right from your PC. If you've noticed you're missing updates about upcoming events, changes, or friends' activity, don't worry. This simple walkthrough will have you set up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your preferred web browser. Once you're on your homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This opens a small menu with a few different options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can access all the tools to adjust how Facebook behaves and what notifications you receive. Next, select Settings from the drop-down list. You'll now be taken to your main settings page, where everything from privacy to notifications can be customized just the way you like. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for and click on Notifications. This section controls every alert Facebook sends your way, whether it's friend requests, messages, or updates about events you're interested in. Scroll down until you find the Events section. This is the key part. Inside, you'll see options for what kind of event-related notifications you want to receive. Find Activity and make sure it's enabled. Turning this on means you'll get updates whenever there's new activity related to events, like changes to event times, new posts from hosts, or reminders before things start. Once you've done that, you're all set. Facebook will now send you timely notifications so you won't miss any event updates again. That's it, a simple and effective way to stay in the loop on every event you care about. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out other tutorials to explore more hidden settings that make Facebook work even better for you. Thanks for watching.